Well, actually, no, I'm not going to need this because, as you can just tell from the looks of this box, all you need to do is just that. That's it. Oh, I think I see a packing slip in there, so let me take that out. Lenovo, are you for real? Is that the wrong color or what? Because I ordered blue, but this looks, hold on. Is this black or is this? Yeah, I have to take this. Yeah, I think they sent me black. Oh my gosh, really, Lenovo? This does not look blue to me. Let me read it. It says Lenovo 530 wireless mouse. But this looks really, really black. And it says Lenovo 530 Abyss Blue, but when you think of Abyss Blue, you think of something probably more like that. I was expecting it to look more something like this coloring here. And you look at this looks black, man. Like, wow. So it goes for Abyss Blue. Okay, maybe at the bottom it looks a bit more blue, but wow, I did not know that the blue was that dark. Like online, they made the blue look way, 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 way lighter. Now, you see 4 different operating smartphone systems here. That's because I'm going to test them all once I can figure out how to get into this safely without sabotaging it. Actually, I think all I need to do is just that maybe. Will it come out like this? Yeah. Okay, so that works. But yeah, I did not expect Abyss to be this dark. I know I'm saying it so many times, but like honestly though, like if you look at the online image, you know what? Let me actually hold it up to the camera and I'll post the online picture of it. You see this dark contrast? You would not know this is blue just from looking, like especially in this lighting, it's like, wow. I mean, it is actually blue, but this is a really, really dark, like if they just listed this as like midnight blue or something, I'll be like, okay, alright, fair game, but well then again, when you think of the Abyss, that's the deepest part of the ocean, no? So I can kind of get why it's so dark now, but if they're gonna call it Abyss, maybe they should actually just represent it more accurately online. Because with the coloring they showed online, it looks something more like an ocean blue, like an upper ocean blue, maybe even like a deep sky blue almost, really. Actually, no, hold on. You know what? This, yes, this is what it looked like online. Perfect. I'm glad this was actually in front of me because this is very, very close to what it looked like online. So, hold these two together again. They look nothing alike. So, wow, I can't believe I spent almost 3 minutes of this video ranting about the color. Let's see how this mouse actually works. First, make sure these guys are not going to fall asleep. Are they going to sleep? No. Now, what I like about this mouse is it opens like that. As you know, for some reason, I prefer when mice just open from the top in one piece like that. Now, what should I do with the battery? The removable battery. Yes, I had to emphasize that. The removable battery. The precious removable battery. And I am sweating because I didn't ventilate this room. And let some cool breeze come in. So when I'm done shooting this video, I'm going to have to open up the window because if I had to take a guess, it's about 32 degrees in here, so hot, hot, hot! I can take a look at some of the finer details here. Let me pick up one of these lights so we can see it better. Okay, now it actually looks more blue on camera when I actually send the light on it directly. So you can see that it is indeed blue, but without proper lighting, it had me fooled big time. Yes, this is also rubber, not metal. You can see the Lenovo branding there. You can see some other certificates and things. And if we turn it like this, you can see more things that you probably might care about. So I should stop highlighting them and actually focus on more interesting things, like actually testing the phones I have in front of me. Yeah, that's what you want to see. Does it work? Oh, no, I think I have it on the wrong side. Alright. Now I believe it should work. If we turn this on. Yes, and this fires a red laser. Would you look at that? Maybe I should even trap the lights temporarily. Well, okay, never mind. There's still lights on the desk, but you guessed the idea. So, Who shall we penetrate first? Are you kidding me? Okay, you know, I guess we're gonna deal with the Note first. No. Did I just call my S5 a Note? I can't understand the guys. S5 a Note. Wait, why do I find that so funny? Actually, you know what? It's funny because you look at the size of a Note and you look at the size of a S5. It's like, whoa, you can't really mix these two up. Like, you look at this and you look at this. Look at the size difference. Wow. And I almost lost my USB dongle. So, Note, I did it again. S5. Let's test you first. My goodness, why am I calling my S5 a Note? Alright, so I have my handy U-green ready. I made sure to actually look for this in advance, not while filming, because that's really annoying. So we're gonna insert here. And then we're gonna do this. And did it recognize it? Yes. It recognizes it. You can see the mouse. We're gonna go to deny. How do I go back though? That's the thing. How do you go? Oh, you just click to go back? Just like that? Okay, so apps. Which games did I play? Running crowd. Oh, that's a horizontal game, so I don't know how that's going to go, but we can still demonstrate it. They're very far away, so it's probably not going to look too good. Should I just play seriously, or should I just stop at this point because you get the idea? I mean, it's not like you can even see all that good from this angle anyways, so yeah, so you get the idea. It works fantastically on Android. This is an older version of Android, by that, as you know. This S5, the latest version it has is Marshmallow, which should be 6. I know, very old, because as of May 17, 2021, the newest version we're supposed to be seeing in 2021, I believe, is Android 12. I really wish to go to dessert news, man. Ever since they stopped the Android 10, it's just like, why, man? Just why? Android needs to go back to desserts. ASAP. Okay. So now I can just take this out as is and just plug it into the BlackBerry because they both use micro USB. Just like that. See, you didn't recognize this as USB inserted, so that's good. And we're going to demonstrate this with, which game should I honestly play? Should I play Tunnel X? Should I play Flippy Bird? Should I play Kiwi Wonder? There's just so many options, really. You know, I'm just going to demonstrate with Flippy Bird. I know. Probably not one you wanted to see a demonstration with, but okay, I guess I'm going to have to take this out of the screen now. It's going to be distracting. Perhaps this is actually the camera to focus on it. Yeah, there we go. Now it should look a little bit better. And it's not doing anything. Okay, so I don't think this game is click friendly. But yeah, so there's one thing I remember with BlackBerry is that if you go like that, you can actually swipe out. So we'll find a click friendly. Or do we need to do that because you basically get the idea? Well, actually, no, I guess I should demonstrate again because I did it on the S5. So I guess it's only fair that perhaps I do it, I guess, on this one. Maybe Flappy 2048. And it works beautifully. Now for the Microsoft Lumia 950 XL, I'm gonna need this. But first, I'm gonna have to type in my password. Oh no, never mind, I did not have to. Instead, I can just penetrate it as is. All we need to do is just take this out of here and plug it in. Actually, I have to make sure the volume is nice and loud so we can hear that connection sound. No, I'm gonna have to probably turn it down once I actually start playing a game. Okay, this one's being kind of difficult. Is this too big to fit? Some only take nano. Some can take micro. It looks like this adapter doesn't like micros. It's fussy and only. Hold on, am I even plugging this in right? Let's see. Okay. So yes, I am doing it right. It's just that this hole is too. Okay, there we go. It eventually fits. Now, you heard the sound, or maybe you didn't hear the sound because I was talking too much over, but who cares? You get the idea. So I can scroll. I can go to all apps. And we will play. I need to load some more things onto this phone, man. Wow. I do not have very much games on this at all. And that's not good. So that when I'm doing videos like this, I can make better demonstrations, you know. Get rid of those bottom buttons because they take up screen estate. Kind of random, but that's one thing I missed about the Lumia 950 XL is that it had capacitive buttons. But with all these newer phones, it's like everything's just controlled on the screen. Oh, how I miss the days of the older phones that they're 16:9 and the capacitive buttons. I know some people might be like, ew, old, antiquated, not modern, fresh, and trendy. But you know what? Not everything modern, fresh, and trendy is necessarily good. Alright, you get the idea. Oh, I did not demonstrate iOS yet, so I guess I should do that too. Or should I not? Do you really care? Oh, I guess I should because I did bring out this adapter here, so that means that I need to test it to be a fair person. Let me move this light over here. And yes, I will test it shortly. Where is my game folder, yo? It looks like while I was swiping off camera that I might have deleted my game folder. Or did I even know? Maybe I'm thinking of my 6S Plus. But I don't know, I feel like I'm almost certain that I did have a game folder on this one too. If not, then maybe that's what I deleted. I don't know. Either way, I guess I'm just going to probably play geometry for the first time. Hopefully it's click friendly, because if not, then that's going to be very bad. Oh, you know, it's a level editor. Let's just go here. So there's normal mode, there's stereo madness. Actually, do I really want to get myself into it? I don't even know how you play this game. Like, where am I supposed to honestly go? I don't know what to do. I'll just go here, there. Okay, you know, I guess I'm supposed to just click here? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's click friendly. That's good. And I'm losing like crazy. Oh my gosh, okay. Wait, there's a game like this on BlackBerry 10 too, you know? Although I'm pretty sure the BlackBerry 10 version is probably the knockoff. Okay, that's way too loud. You're not going to be able to hear me. And I wonder if I should play the BlackBerry version just for fun and giggles. Yeah. Maybe I could connect another mouse. Or maybe I should do it for another day. Maybe I should actually do that in a video that's actually specifically dedicated to multi-platform mobile gaming. Speaking of multi-platform mobile gaming, when was the last time I actually done a video that was strictly dedicated to simply that? Okay, if I lose one more time, I'm just gonna call it quits this video. Okay, yeah, I lost one more time, so I have to call it quits now. How do I pause? Alright, there it is. So, yes, you get the idea. This mouse works fantastically well. Actually, wait, hold on. Before I can finally call it quits, there's one very important operating system I have to test it in, and that's none other than Windows 10 Desktop. Because what would be the point in doing all these tests and it doesn't actually work in Windows Desktop? Did you hear that? It works! So, there you have it. The Lenovo... Is that the model thing here? Alright, no, I guess it's not on the mouse itself. So, here we go. The Lenovo 530 wireless mouse works perfectly fine in Windows 10 Mobile, iOS, BlackBerry 10, Android. It works on everybody. So, the operating system I haven't tested it on is Mac OS because I do not own a Mac, and I do not know if I ever will because I am just not into them. No, who knows, maybe sometime down the road, but not in the near future. Now, you can buy this mouse directly from Lenovo. or also from eBay. And what's cool about getting it from eBay is that they have an official Lenovo account on eBay, so you don't have to worry about it being a knockoff or strange or cheap. So if shopping with eBay is your thing, then I'll gladly provide a link to that below. And you can get this in this deep blue. So I'm going to highlight the color once again. It's not actually black like what I was ranting about earlier. It is indeed blue. It's just a really deep blue, hence the word abyss. And it's available in almond, platinum, and cherry red. Yes, speaking of cherry red, I did also get it in cherry red because last week I wanted to actually get these two colors at the same time, but it was only the blue one and the other ones that were in stock, so I had to wait until a brand new week came. So when I checked today, which again, as I said in the video, May 17, 2021, it was back in stock. I placed an order for that. Now, when that one comes, I don't think I'm going to give it the detailed video treatment, so I'm probably not going to even upload it on that channel. But I'll definitely cover it, showcase it, photograph it, and all that goodness. And now I can finally get out of here and open up that window so all this steam can come out.